Bro, I don't know what just happened right. Look at this dude, look at this dude, look at this dude. Oh, he lost his trash can. Hell yeah, dude. The dude lost the trash can. Oh, I didn't even get his name. So I'm just chilling up here and this dude pulls up. I'm like, I wonder who this is. He pulls up right next to me and I hear him speaking Spanish. I'm like, all right. And he was telling me how like he's from this ranch right down over there. He's like, yeah, dude, come through. I have horses, all that. And he was showing me like spots he's like discovered apparently. I'm like, oh, okay, that seems pretty dope. And this bro, this dude, cool ass dude, bro. He comes up here and just, like starts smoking. He's trying to get money. I'm like, nah, bro, it's cool, man. You gotta share the love, share the weed, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I just thought I'd share that experience, man, because that was something else. That's pretty dope, man. That really made my day. That really made my day. All right, now it's on to the car wash. Packaged, secured. Now we go to the car wash. We're back home. Didn't really record much of the car wash. Really busy. Didn't have time getting cool angles. But I'm home now. It's time to vacuum the inside of the car and then clean the inside of it. Hope you guys enjoy. You just finished vacuuming. Now I'm just gonna use Meguiar's interior detailer cleaner. That's gonna clean it off. And then I just bought this to try it out. See how that works. Hopefully it looks pretty because it needs a shining. And then I had to fucking cut myself. And it's not all that bad, but it was just annoying when vacuuming. If you saw me put that wrap on. Let's get to it. Honestly, not gonna lie, it looks a little shinier, I hope. I mean, it's an old door. I don't expect it to be like boom, brand new, but it's shiny. Alright, well, battery kind of died on the camera, so yeah, so the camera battery just died. But I mean, she came out clean. I think from the moment the camera cut to now, all I did was just finish cleaning the inside a bit more. Smells like booty in here, but that's okay. And then sprayed it down, clean the glass. Bro, dude, oh my god, I gotta go somewhere else, man. It can't be here. It's always these little motherfuckers that are gonna bite me. What you doing, homie? No. But yeah, she turned out clean, man. After 10 weeks, I'm not really washing my car. I mean, she looks really good. Whew. If you guys are enjoying this like car content stuff, let me know by dropping a like. Because I don't know, maybe I want to incorporate the car a little bit more instead of just doing so much more weed stuff. Try to do a little bit of car stuff here and there. But if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you guys enjoyed. Comment down below what was your favorite part of the video. And as always, I hope you guys have a good one. Remember, stay up.